So I have looked at the 3 points, I've plotted them, I've connected the dots and made my triangle, and now I've encased that triangle in a rectangle. Can everybody see that?
Yeah.
So when you were in 5th grade and you learned the area of a triangle, you learned 1/2 base times height.
Yes.
That is one of maybe 7 ways to find the area of a triangle that I teach in high school, okay? And we're going to learn 2 other ways today. So in here, I'm going to show you my patented formula.
Patented?
Yep,
You invented it?
yep,
Oh, snap.
yep. To find the area of a shaded region. Okay, we're finding the area of the triangle. So we're going to shade in that triangle, and we're going to say that the formula is area of the shaded equals a whole minus a whole. Not kidding. So what does this formula mean? It means you find the area of the whole shape, the whole rectangle, which is easy. Most people know how to find the area of a rectangle. And you subtract the area of these 3 holes in the picture, and what's left is the area of the triangle, okay? So the area of the whole thing, let's count. We've got 3 and -5, that's 8 across the top. And we have 7 and 6 and 13 down the side. Somebody verify that for me. So the area of the whole rectangle is 104. That's the first area you're looking for. Now we're going to subtract the 3 little triangles. What kind of triangles are all those 3 triangles if you made a rectangle? They're right triangles. So here you can use 1/2 base times height. So it's going to be, this is going to be 13 by 5 by 1/2. So what is 13 times 5 times 1/2? The left rectangle, the area is 32.5 because it's 13 times 5 times 1/2. The next rectangle is 3 times 7 times 1/2, and that should be 10.5. And if it isn't, just test me on that one. All right. So now we have 6 and 8 divided by 2 is 24.
Now you subtract all.
So now we subtract all those from 104. 32.5 minus 10.5 minus 24. And what do we get for our area? So we get to 37 square units. Okay? That's the area using the picture. So you're going to be doing 4 of those, and you're going to use the picture. But some guy way back when figured this out. If we do a matrix and we put 0, 7, -5, -6, and 3, 0, and put 1s down here. So what is the dimension of that matrix?
3 by 3.
A 3 by 3. Everybody key that into like E. Matrix E. Most matrices that you see have brackets around them, but notice this one looks like it has an absolute value sign around it, okay? I put straight lines on it. That means you're going to find the determinant of this matrix. So I want you all to hit second matrix math, and the very first one says DET. That's determinant, and then hit second matrix and E, because that's where you put it, right? If you follow my directions. And close the parentheses, and you should get 74,
Yeah.
and then times 1/2. So divided by 2, or times 1/2, and you get 37. Isn't that what we got up above?
Yeah.
Yeah.